In this video, we're going to run an existing process to identify duplicate accounts, evaluate the duplicates, and merge the results. From the Processes menu, we're going to select the Single Object Deduplication process for all accounts using the default rule set. Let's review the settings for this process by clicking on the drop-down arrow on the right and selecting Edit. In the advanced options, we're going to turn on Enable Unmerged Dedupe and Salesforce Default Merge. In the middle section, you can see that we are using the default account rule set that will identify duplicates based on the account name and phone number, as well as the account name and address matching. We've also selected the account duplicate check mapping to ensure that all related child objects are reparented to the winning record when merging. Finally, over on the right-hand side, we can see that all accounts will be evaluated for duplicates. Now that we've made our modifications, we'll simply click on the process to run it. Our grid is currently showing all accounts in our Salesforce instance. We'll click on Run Process to identify duplicates. DQE1 will now create the necessary fields, read the Salesforce data, evaluate the records for duplicates, and then write the results to the custom fields. Once the grid reappears, we'll change the list view to one that only shows duplicate records and a few key DQE fields. In our sample database, DQE1 has identified two groups of records. The groups are defined based on the DQE index group ID. In the DQE match certainty column, DQE1 has indicated that we have a 100% match for the first group and only a 95% match for the second group. The DQE matching rule shows the first rule within the rule set that captured the duplicate record. In the first group, the account name, phone number, and address all matched. In the second group, the phone numbers are slightly different, the address matches, and the account name is slightly different. This explains why the match certainty is not 100%. When we merge the results, DQE1 will only merge those records that meet or exceed our merge threshold of 100%. We can also set up DQE1 to automatically merge records based on our merge threshold. From the Processes menu, we'll edit this process and enable Auto Merge Duplicates. We'll save the process and then run it from the Processes list. Once the process completes, we'll change the list view to only show duplicate records. Only the group that did not meet our merge threshold remains. DQE1 processes can be run on demand or included in jobs that run at a user-defined cadence.